Aww, it's not even orange. Why is it called orange flavor? So good with rice. I used to like trace him and like draw him. I had a poster of him. Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I am doing something a little different. I'm going to do a review mukbang. So I got some fried chicken from this franchise called BBQ Chicken. I didn't realize how many there were in the States. So I thought this would be something worth reviewing because if nobody really had access to it, I feel like what's the point of reviewing it? But knowing that this is like in many states, I thought it would be fun to review one of their flavors. They have a bunch, but I did want to review the limited flavor, limited time flavor. This is the maple syrup fried chicken. This one's not, I think this one is more permanent one. This is mala, so spicy and very sweet. As soon as I opened the box for the maple one, oh my gosh, guys. It was so like strong, so sweet. I almost felt like I was opening like a dessert box. It smells so strong, like very sweet. It's not off-putting or anything, but it's more like, did I order a dessert or a fried chicken, you know? But I haven't tasted it yet, but it does smell very sweet. Personally, I feel like I'm gonna really like the mala one. I haven't tried this one yet. It also reminded me of this one Korean dessert. Actually, no. Like I can't think of exactly which like a snack I'm thinking, but it smells a lot like a caramel popcorn. Yeah. I have a giant bowl of rice for my mala. And for today's drink, I have this Goku orange flavor sparkling water. Did you guys know that I wanted to marry Goku? I used to like trace him and like draw him. I had a poster of him. He is the one. Aww, it's not even orange. Why is it called orange flavor? That's a little disappointing. Mmm. Mmm. It's not orange, but it tastes very orangey. Anyways, let's begin. Going to try the maple one. I mean, it looks delicious, don't get me wrong. One thing that stuck to me watching Food War, the anime, is before the taste, before the visual, first thing you notice is smell. And this chicken smells very strong. Mmm. Mmm. Hold on, let's get my pickle radish. Wow. Okay, it's not as sweet as it smells. Mmm. Oh god. This is one of my favorite fried chicken places. The way they fry it is just perfect amount for me. Mmm. Mmm. I was really worried that was gonna be too sweet. It's not. Mmm. I feel like it's gonna be okay with the rice. Mmm. So you might, so you might think that if it's too sweet, it might not go well with the rice, but there's still saltiness to it. Mmm. Ta-da! I'll try another one. Oh, it looks so crispy. Look at this one. I mean, visually, I think they did a great job on this because it looks so tasty. Tong is not a fan of sweet chicken. If it's sweet, it has to be spicy. So I know he won't like this one, but it's still not that sweet. How did that fry is so good? I actually wouldn't mind more sauce on this. Wow, I'm really glad I tried this. I don't know why they call it. I'm not so too familiar with maple dishes, so I don't know if the smell is exactly like the maple. But for me, it kind of reminds me more of a kind of like a caramel popcorn or caramel dishes. Oh god, it's so crunchy. Wow. One thing for sure, it's not as sweet as it smells. Okay, let's try the mara. I wonder how spicy this one is. So I tried the original, like a golden one, and spicy and spicy carby. Spicy carby is so good. And there's a cheeseling one, also very good. Much sweeter than this one. So good with rice. I really like this brand just because their sweeter flavors are not as sweet, which I really like. Oh, this one was crispy as hell. Look at this one. Mm. Everybody's messaging me. Sometimes I get emails from all these camp-related apps that I downloaded. It really makes me miss the whole road trip and camping. Mm. So, the Mara one is spicy, but it's not like fire noodle spicy. You get a good kick. It's not that sweet either. Good. They're so tiny though. But I've had fried chickens where the drumsticks are freaking like, it's borderline turkey, okay? I don't like that because I feel like you're always short on the sauce, but that's why I know it's smaller, but I'd rather eat smaller chicken than the bigger one. I almost want to get a job here so I could take the recipe. A lot of times why people take out is, well, one, yeah, you might not know how to make it, but two, it's easier. It might be cheaper as well. But nowadays with the inflation, it might be cheaper to make it at home now. Oh, what? I have a little bit of sauce here. I mean, I think one of the reasons why I really like this place is I do really, if you try the original, it's, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like, it's not too oily for me. And another reason I really like this place is because their sauce, they don't overdo it. Like, oh, this is a spicy and sweet, like red sauce. Okay, let's put a lot of sugar. Like, a lot of places do that. It's so extremely sweet. It's too extreme for me. It's moderate, yet the flavor is unique enough. I can't see shit. I did really like the I feel the stinginess around my lips. The sauce is so good. I just love their fried chicken. It's so good. I want to open one. You know how Buffalo Wild Wings, they have their own, like, they eventually started selling their own sauce in a bottle? I think they should do it too. Wow, it's getting spicy. Oh, so good. Not gonna lie though, it's starting to remind me of ganpungi. Like, actually very similar to ganpungi. A little bit more spicy, but everything else kind of reminds me of that.